Okay, so let's make a naked or bone dry martini. So first thing we're going to be needing is glassware. So we've got a martini glass here with some ice chilling. Put that to the side. Now we're going to be wanting our mixing glass. So we get a mixing glass here. Now we're going to be wanting to add our alcohols. Now for this, the bone dry, you're going to be wanting to add a little bit of your dry vermouth to your mixing glass. And then you're going to be wanting to just swirl it around in the glass. Because for a naked, it's pretty much, I don't know why you would order a naked and not just order a double gin on the rocks. But there we go. So we've got rid of the vermouth, and now we're going to be adding our gin. So we're going to be wanting to add 75ml as regularly. So 45 and 30. So we have 75ml in there. Now we're going to add our ice. Now we're going to be wanting to stir. And there we go. So now we're going to be wanting to discard the ice from our glass. Put that there. And as always, we will double strain into the glass. Sitting a little lower in the glass, but that is because we are missing some of the alcohol. But there we have it, a naked martini. But we will just garnish as always, and we'll a little express of lemon and a little lemon peel to go. And there we have it, a naked martini.